On question number 4, we are selecting the winner using the board account method. And as you can see, I've already calculated the points for this one. So we just need to tally them up. So Steve got 8,073 plus 2,416 plus 237. So that is 10,726 points. Tony got 2,691 plus 7,248 plus 474. Which is 10,413. And lastly, Wanda got 5,382, 4,832, 711. And that is 10,925. So the winner is Wanda. Now suppose Tony drops out. Recompute the winner using the board account method again. So with Tony dropping out, any candidate that is underneath Tony needs to move up. So we need to redo the preference table. And then we need to recalculate the points. So the first column is 5,382 and 2,691. The second column is 4,832 and 2,416. And the last column is 474 and 237. So let's tally up the points. Steve is getting 8,035 total points. And Wanda is getting 7,997 total points. So the winner is Steve. So does this violate the irrelevant alternatives criterion? The answer is yes, because we should have the same winner. And Wanda won it the first time, but then after Tony drops out, Steve is the winner. So yes, different winner.